放那么多吗
Tofu on the fry bread.
That's too much. That's too much.
That's too much.
之前都在小黑吃，今天咱们在大白吃一个。你们猜大白是谁？哎呦 ，What's up, John？ 哎 ，What's up, John？
From McGill University, all the way in Canada. Let's give it up for KK.
我操 ！Nice to meet you, John.
Pleasure to meet you.
他来北京了，肯定带他吃一个铜锅啊。那上次小黑就来这儿吃的。The most famous food in Beijing.
First time in China and my first time for Beijing hot pot. Let's check it out,
我
man.
带外国人吃中餐了哟。我说实话，我没有想到有一天我会跟他一块儿吃。第一次见他的时候，在网上他跳舞，你知道吗？直接上大招，好动毛肚先上。And that's the most famous layer. It tastes a little bit different, and I'm not sure why it's different. But you're gonna tell us. You ever seen this?
What is it?
That's a stomach.
Okay.
That's the most famous for the Chinese people.
Yeah, let's try it. Beef stomach.
Yeah. And the way you cook it is 7 up, 8 down. 7 up, 7, 8 down.
7 down, 8 up, baby. 8.
Yes, right.
All right, it's ready. You about to eat this?
Oh, smell it first. Smell it.
Yeah. Yeah,
I mean, it's not bad, huh? I mean,
I like that. My first time eating cow stomach. Lamb. Yeah. Very flavorful. Oh, that's good. It's like cartilage. It's cartilage. Yeah. 7.
可是我见过第一个爱吃牛排的外国人。
Get some more?
Oh, this is something like you don't see in the States.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Really sweet. That's really good.
It's one of the most famous things from the north of China.
It's the same reason why the third emperor of the Ming Dynasty decided to move the palace from south to north. He was fighting with his cousin at the time, and he loved the cabbage, so he moved the entire palace to north.
You guys went to the
Forbidden City yesterday, yeah.
How do you like China so far?
Love it. Love it. Very surprising.
How many cities you been?
Just Shanghai in here.
You like them?
Yeah.
You tried them before?
Yeah. In America, we call these pickled eggs. Big brain lamb. But it's not really lamb brain. It's lamb. We'll try it. Really good, yeah. My lamb is running away. Where is my hand-cut lamb?
基本功不行。
I wasn't going deep enough. That's good. That's some next level sheep. All right, what do we got here?
It's called you just put the tofu on the bread and then 放那么多吗
Tofu on the fry bread.
That's too much. That's too much.
That's too much.
Yeah, that's too much. I smell it. I mean, it tastes different than you smell.
Yeah, I'll eat it, but I don't want to say what it smells like. It smells like a baby's diaper. Yeah, it tastes a lot better than it smells.
Oh yeah? 看见了吗，小黑
Must have food in Beijing.
One more?
Of that?
One more?
Yeah, I don't want another one. One's enough.
Yeah,
One's enough.
这是你们这儿最贵的是吧？
是的。
Most expensive. Yeah. Let's see the difference, you know?
Yeah. Top dollar. Yeah, that's pretty good. Real good Beijing beef. Thank you for setting this up. I appreciate it.
Don't worry.